If you're trying to teleport to a friend in Roblox, even when the server is full, there's a trick that works a lot better than just spamming the join button. Let's walk through it. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss Roblox tips like this. First, try joining directly through your friend's profile. Go to their Roblox profile page and press join game. Sometimes this lets you slip into the server the moment a player leaves instead of sending you to a random lobby. Next, refresh the server list. Scroll down to the servers tab, keep refreshing, and watch for the server your friend is in. When someone leaves and a slot opens, click it immediately. This is one of the fastest ways to get in. Another trick is having your friends send you a party or game invite from inside the server if the experience supports it. Invites sometimes push you into the same server faster than normal joining. If the server is always full, try joining during a player transition. Wait for the end of a round or match when players are most likely to leave. That's when the most slots open up. Also, make sure your privacy settings allow joining friends. Go to settings arrow privacy and ensure the option for joining friends is enabled. Otherwise, Roblox won't let you connect to their server. Pro tip: if the game allows private servers, your friend can temporarily create one and invite you directly. It's the fastest way to play together without fighting full servers. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with the game you're trying to join, and I'll show you the best way to get into that server.